Hi guys, Sporty Cabalen here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we'll just have a quick bike check. Right now, we have here a Twitter Thunder. So yung Twitter is one of the brands na sumisikat ngayon dito sa Philippines. Lalo na ngayon dumarami yung mga nagiging interested sa cycling. They have, a series of bikes. So meron silang mountain bikes and meron rin silang road bikes. Okay? So same with, etong Twitter Thunder natin dito. And meron din silang triathlon bikes. Nakita ko doon sa website pero I'm just not sure kung available na ba siya dito sa Philippines. Bike check lang natin siya and hopefully this video will help you in terms of, kung gusto mo mag-start ng hobby mo into cycling. Hopefully makatulong itong video na to. So guys, the frame is a Twitter specific frame and it's a carbon frame na. I think this is the cheapest carbon in the market right now in terms of the price. Maganda yung design. Pwede na siyang itapat doon sa mga mamahaling brands in terms of the design. Yung size niya it's extra small, which is 48 yung top tube. So it's a Twitter specific frame, carbon, and same with the fork. So Twitter specific fork, carbon na rin siya. Let's move on to the cockpit. Yung cockpit niya it's also a Twitter specific cockpit equipped with, yung stem niya is also Twitter. Pero in this case, I think this is alloy. Alloy yung drop bar niya including yung stem. Yung stem length niya it's 90mm. Brake sets, levers equipped with the retrospect levers. Same with the calipers. So rim brake siya and yung tatak ng calipers niya it's retrospect as well. I think this is China made yung brand na retrospect and yung pagkakaiba niya sa Shimano shifters, yung STI ng Shimano, wala siya nung second, small shifter. So ang nangyayari dito is kung paano siya mag-function is you have to do half press for you to be able to move yung, like for example, if you're controlling the rear derailleur, para makapunta ka dun sa smaller cogs, you have to half press lang yung shifter niya. But then, if you have to go to the larger cogs, then ang gagawin mo is full press. Same with the other side, yung dito naman sa front derailleur niya, if you have to go to the bigger plate, then you have to full press. And then, dun sa small plate naman, half press lang siya. So, in terms of smoothness, okay na siya for entry-level bikes. But, compared to, yung mid-range and mamahaling bikes natin, mas smooth yung mga yun. So, you get what you pay for, sabi nga nila. So, there you go guys. Let's move on to the wheel set. Yung wheel set ng bike na to, yung size niya, it's 700 by 25C. It's equipped with Innova Pro tires and then yung mismong wheel set niya, it's also retrospect. Hub niya, it's also retrospect. Okay, quick release na siya, both front and rear. By the way, saddle, it's the stock saddle. Wala siyang brand, pero probably this is also Twitter specific brand. Seat post na, I think it's carbon as well. Okay, so made by Twitter as well. Let's move on to the main components, the group set. Looking at the group set, so rear and front derailleur, they are both retrospect 11 speed. Yung plate niya sa crank, it's 50-24. The larger, plate is 50 teeth and then 24 teeth yung smaller plate niya. The speed nung cogs natin, it's 11 speed and the teeth are 11-28. When you buy the bike, wala siyang battle cage, wala siyang pedals. Okay, same with the other brands as well. So, there you go guys. This is just a quick video. Hopefully, makatulong ito sa inyo if you're deciding kung anong bike ang bibilihin nyo. So again, Twitter bikes. Meron rin silang other road bikes like yung Twitter Smile and the higher versions. Comparing the versions, I would say yung pagkakaiba nila is really the group set. So merong mga naka Shimano 105 and then meron naka Shimano Clarice. Okay guys, so hopefully makatulong ito. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para at least kung may bago tayong upload, manonotify kayo. Thank you guys for supporting Sporty Cabalen and watch out for the next one. Thank you again guys, and this is Sporty Cabalen signing off. Bye-bye.